So guys, on this short video, I'm going to show you how you can generate your Amazon associate link, which is your Amazon affiliate link. The first thing you need to do is to click on this section. There is two ways I'm going to show you. The first way, you can use any one of the categories here to get your link. If I say I click on this section where you say Idea Hub, I will click on Idea Hub and it's going to open up. So once it open up here, what I need to do is to let us say, for example, you want to like promote by category. You can follow any type of thing that interests you here. Maybe hiding gems, anything you feel like, products, seasonal products. So all those are categories that you can click on and they will open the type of product that is here. When we scroll down, you can see what it say. Look what it says, say trending in your top category based on customer reviews and sales on Amazon. So let us say, for example, I want to promote this product, which is this Fire tablet. What I need to do is to click on the link, and here is going to give me HTML code. If I have a website, I can copy this and go and paste it on my website. The standard code is when they click on your link, this is how it will display on their Chrome browser. And this shorten link, this one is what you can promote to anyone at all. Let us say you want to insert your affiliate link or your Amazon affiliate link like you say, click the link in the description and you put this link, which is this Amazon link in the description. This is the type of Amazon link you can put in the description of your video. So once you copy this link now, this is the link that Amazon have generated for you. Go and share it with your audience. Anyone that click on it, buy the product, you are going to make money within 24 hours. So that is it. If I click on this icon here, it will show me a bunch and a lot of other products that we can pick and like start promoting them, and each product pay you with different amount of percentage. So that is how they work. Let me show you another way you can use to promote like expensive products. This strategy, you need to make sure that you open your Amazon associate account, which is your Amazon affiliate account. Make sure that it's open. Once it open, go to amazon.com. So go to amazon.com, make sure you have logged in your own account and make sure that your Amazon associate account is open. And here you can search for any type of product. Search for like, let us say want to search for Canon camera. I will just search for this Canon camera. So as you can see, now that the Canon camera have opened, what I need to do is to click on it. I'm showing you now how you can get your affiliate link direct, like if you want to sell expensive products. This product now is a 300, I think it's $389.95 right now. And let us say I want to promote this link. You can see at the top here, you can see where you say Amazon Associate Site Scribe. So you can see that Amazon Associate is connected now on my own Amazon account. This is not me logging into my dashboard on Amazon Associate. This is me trying to buy something, and Amazon Associate is popping up here because I opened my Amazon Associate account. Here you can see that I am logged in. That is why you can see this here. And if we go back to my Amazon marketplace, which is amazon.com, where you can buy products, you can see here that this is now the product I searched for, which is this Canon camera EOS 200D, 2000D, and yeah. So let us say, for example, I want to promote this product. Like I said, I will just need to click on this section where you say test, where you can see this section where you say get link. If I click on it, it's going to show me the link. I will just copy this link and go and start sharing this link with my audience. When they click on it, you will make money. If they click and buy, not just click. If they click and buy the product, you will make money. If I click on this full link, this is how it will display. If they click on it on their Chrome browser, this is how the URL will look, and you can look through to see Amazon ID is showing here, your tracking ID, if it's displaying. If it's not displaying, you can just look it through. So that is it. And let us say, for example, you want to display, you want it to just display as an image. You can click on the section where you say image. You can see, you can choose different size, small size, big size. You can choose any size at all. You see the link is changing here. Copy the link and go and paste it on your website if you want to display this Amazon link on Amazon image on your website as an affiliate. So let us say, for example, you want to display both tests like this, something like this. You need something like this to display on your website. You can just do this again. See, make sure open link in new tab and the show border is checked. And once it's checked, come down here, copy your affiliate link and go and paste it on that your website, and that is how you can generate your affiliate Amazon link. And that is it. So I will end this video from here, and I'll say thank you very much. You see this camera here. If you want to get this camera, I'll leave the link in the description. If you want, you can go and get it. So I will end this video from here. If you want to learn how you can make money with affiliate program, you can watch this first video that will pop up right now. I will say thank you and see you on my next video.